So this is what we're cooking tonight, Gruns. Haddock, 4 breaded fish fillets, breadcrumbs, wild caught, cut from whole fillets. That means it's not like pressed together chicken. It's chicken. Pressed together fish parts. Let's look at the back. So let's look at what we've got here. We've got haddock fillets, and it tells you also what's in the breading. But the basics, you get down to 240 calories for one, sodium 22%, and protein 11 grams. That's not bad at all. Now the directions call for preheat the oven to 425, arrange on a baking sheet, and then cook for 22 to 24 minutes. Well, I'm going to show you doing it on a grate in the oven with a convection oven setting. What have we got here? We've got some breaded haddock, frozen food. 22 minutes at 425. Now, you're supposed to turn it over halfway when it's halfway done, right? And I don't like doing that. I don't like opening the oven up and playing with hot things again. So I found that we have a convection setting on our oven. So if I just set the food on this grate and then set that on the other grate, the oven tray, and they cook just like they had been turned over, and it works real nice. Here we go with the fish fillet, and we've got some rice with duck sauce. So let's try it out. Now we'll try some rice. I cooked this in a Zuritsu rice machine I got for $13 at Goodwill. They cost more like $130 and up. And I have the model that was actually made in Japan, not one made in China. Very good. I like the grill idea because you get less to clean up. You got to be careful you put things on it so they don't fall through. Because if it falls through on your oven, then you're going to have a bigger mess to clean up. But I've done home fries that way, or French fries in a similar method. And the important part is you're basically turning your oven into a large air fryer by using the convection setting and letting everything circulate around the food.